Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eyeshadow here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, hey girl, hey. I know you guys probably wondering why do I have on one eye. So I feel like doing the color eyeshadow because summertime is approaching. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my lids, but the palette that I'm going to be using is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to be using, right, is called Tipsy Girl, which is this pink right here. So now I'm just taking a JH30 brush. This is also by Morphe. And I'm just blending this out, dragging it out a little bit. Blending upward. So now I'm just taking this color here. It's called Therapy Sesh. I'm going to be applying that to my lid. So I'm just making sure I build up these colors before I cut the crease a little bit. I'm basically just blending these two colors together. So now I'm just going in with this deeper purple. It's called Not My Johnny. And I'm going to be putting this in my crease. And I'm taking what is this? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm taking the tip of that and I'm just basically making myself a crease. Okay, so now I'm taking this black shade here. It's called Temptress. And I'm just going to be applying this to my cut crease as well to deepen up this purple. I'm not going to take that much. I literally just took a little because it's black and a little goes a long way. So I'm kind of blending it out as I drag it. So now I'm just taking the Makeup Forever concealer and I'm just using this to carve out my crease. Oh, and I'm using the same JH42 brush. So you just want to make sure you go back and forth building these colors up. So now I'm just taking the Too Faced Hang Up a Primer and just priming my face before I apply my foundation. Taking my NARS foundation. So it's currently what, 12 in the morning. I just got bored and decided to do my makeup because I need to start putting out more content anyway. So yeah, I didn't have nothing to do, so I was like, why not just do my makeup? So now I'm just taking the Makeup Forever concealer. This is in the shade 4.5. And I am going to be a little dramatic with this look today. So I'm just taking the Real Techniques brush and I'm starting brush. Why am I always saying brush? Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And I am going to be dragging this out a little bit because I want my eyes to look a little snatched. Well, now I'm going to be going in with a lot of concealer. This is the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. Apply this right under my eyes and the bridge of my nose. Taking my NYX concealer and I'm just applying this. Okay, so I'm going in with two setting powders today. The first one I'm going to be going in with is the Honey by Laura Mercier, and then this one is just the translucent. So I'm going to be taking the honey one first and just pressing this into my skin, and then I'm going to be taking the translucent one and just like letting it bake a little bit. So I'm just letting this bake. And I normally don't bake, but I really want that brighter under eye effect. So I'm just going to be bronzing up my face a little bit. I'm taking the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I don't know why I can never get this right. I always got to look at the palette, but yeah. And I don't want to do it too much because I noticed that this powder is very, very pigmented. So yeah, I'm not going to do too much. Taking the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. This is the matte lip liner by NYX. This is in the shade, what is this? Downtown Beauty. Okay, I'm not going too crazy today with the overline. So now I'm just taking my NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie. Now I'm just taking me some clear gloss, going on top of this. This highlight is like my signature highlight. Like, I love this highlight. Literally my go-to highlight. Gotta have this highlight. So this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this look. If you enjoyed it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the Eyeshadow Isolate gang. And click that post notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop a brand new video. And also, I will be leaving my Instagram on the bottom of the screen here so you guys can follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video.